Oh man, here I am in hell. Back to hell. 4 levels of hell. Oh, there's 7 levels in hell, unless it's the other version of hell, which has 9. But what would the 4 levels be anyway? Oh, you gotta be joking me. I don't want you guys helping me. Fine. You can help, I guess. Great. I need a rapid fire weapon. Oh man. You know what? You guys might be the only thing that helped me through this house, so suffering through one evil to get through a less evil, I guess. Alright. But yeah, suffering one evil for another. Alright. Jesus Christ, they're everywhere. Where are they all coming from? Wait, did they burst out of... No way. No way did they just... Oh man. Hi. They did! They're bursting out of the bigger ones. Well, not exactly bigger ones, but the gas bag ones, the carrier forms. Okay, this really is the worst version of the flood. Well, technically the best, but worse for me. The most accurate would be the hardest version of the flood. Oh man. They have flood hunters too. Okay, this is definitely the hardest goddamn version of the flood. Before the flood had gone worse. But this is not great.
The security doors have sealed automatically. I will go access the override to open them.
This is not great. Oh man. Okay, you two might actually be good.
The first of 10.
Oh man.
Puzzling. You brought such ineffective weapons to combat the flood.
Ineffective. Ineffective. I don't think this is ineffective. What's ineffective is that
The flood must not escape the installation. They consume all.
what's ineffective is your containment protocols.
You can see how the body's been transformed by the genetic restructuring of the flood infection.
Oh god.
What is the cause of posting? When did you report the impact of the weather?
And what's ineffective is that there's so many of them. So it's a hard time to fight against them. Very hard time to fight against them. Oh man, oh Jesus. Hunter Flood are the epitome of goddamn. This is not great. Oh my god, you guys are so boring. I need you guys.
We must continue. This way, please. This installation's research facility.
I'm continuing.
Perhaps we'll have time to see them later.
Oh man. And the glass. Oh, never mind. The glass does break. But the glass was bulletproof, but not explosion proof. Oh, I need to make it to the elevator before those damn... Oh no.
These segments would supplement your combat systems. But I suggest you maintain at least the last
Oh lord.
your current model will stand as last year.
Oh man. Yeah, try and get up here. You're not making up here. Neither of those two spawns, they helped me as much as they could. But now I'm on my own. I am on my own. And they won't be back. What was that? No. I thought I recognized that sound. Ugh, they teleported. They teleported to me.
Failure in a drone control subsystem.
Fine, I guess you guys can help.
I will rejoin you after completing my task.
I thought I could get rid of you spawns and do the rest of this on my own. But no. No, I cannot. You two are with me all the way through. And who knows, maybe you'll actually help me. But shush. No speaking. Be a true silent Spartan. If my father can be mostly silent, so can you. That's a lot of... Oh man. Hey Sentinels, you wanna help me out with the regular hunters? No? Just up to me then. Too focused on the flood hunters. God damn it. Thanks for helping me, Spawn. You're starting to redeem yourself. But you'll never redeem your lifeless nature. Never.
The Sentinels can use their weapons to manage the flood only for a short time. Speed is of the essence.
Yeah. Alright. Cool.
Lost contact. Keep an eye on your radars.
And there's rocket flood.
Firing the blue.
Because of course there is. Jesus Christ.
Shooting. No hostiles. Initializing rhythm.
Oh man. Now all these sentinels are gonna leave. Thanks very much, sentinels. This is what I get for trusting 343. Yeah, prove yourself. Prove yourself, good fighters. Okay. You guys are redeeming yourself a bit. Oh man, there's quite a few of you guys. Oh man. Can you guys even come down in the hole? Yeah, you can. Oh. Oh man.
My apologies.
I don't even think you hit me that time. So, unless one of the stray bullets hit me, but that won't even really faze me.
Your environment will serve you well when the flood begins to roll together. Follow the plan.
Yeah. Oh man. Oh Jesus Christ, that's a lot of flood. That's a lot of flood. Jesus Christ, there's so many. Oh man.
Installation was well conceived.
Oh great. More hunter flood. Oh god. Oh. Oh man. Okay, no, don't attack me. Leave me alone. I'm out. Don't try. And are you guys gonna... Yep.
I would conjecture that the other species
You guys
currently
aren't leaving me, are you?
responsible for releasing the flood. They seem most persistent in their attempts to access restricted areas.
Oh man. Oh lord. Oh man. Alright. They're down.
Lost contact.
Can you guys have some emotion, please? What will it take for you guys to have some emotion?
Sorry for that.
Honestly, I might pay you guys. I might start to pay you guys just to shush, because it seems like you're not gonna follow my commands till later when I ask you to be quiet. Well, maybe, I don't know. Well, so far you haven't listened, so I'll pay you. I will pay you guys to shush.
Firing full.
I'll pay you guys. Because I've given up my anger against you guys. It's worthless. It's utterly worthless. Oh god, I might be in the 5 stages of like grief, denial, whatever.
Simply too dangerous to release. Unless there are ejection protocols, may
And rocket flood, lovely.
the last catastrophic for Sven. It seems that this
I don't think there was ever quite denial, because that's like the first stage, like denying there's a problem. Like, I guess that was during the second mission. Like, you guys are cool. There's nothing wrong with you. Like, starting to notice the problems, but didn't like realize it yet, so it was sort of denial. Dan anger was like the third to like 5th mainly, sort of in the 6th, but yeah. Now I'm up to bargaining. Great. That means next
The installation
Next is depression,
study and contain the flood. Their survival as a race
which
was
I'm already
I
starting to
that
reach.
some of them survived to reproduce.
Because it doesn't seem like you guys, with how unintelligent you guys have been, are going to take me up on that deal to be paid. So I'm at depression now, lovely. You guys are putting me through the 5 stages of grief.
Firing at will.
Yep, I'm definitely depressed now. Every time I think about you, I just sigh now. You guys have put me in the 5 stages of grief. I wonder if I'll reach acceptance by the end of this, but I don't know. Okay, I actually need you guys over here. I do not want to leave you behind. Please, just come in here. Come in here. Please.
I am a genius.
Okay.
I will deactivate the security lock. Right here.
Alright. Time for this. I rely on you guys to take care of the ones over there. Come on. You have one job. Oh man. Jesus Christ, there's a lot of them. Oh man. Let's go.
Please stay close. Time is short.
Oh great. Onto flood. Are we actually nearby? Okay, I'll leave you two to deal with those guys. I'm going. Good luck. Even though you'll probably just teleport to me. Lord. Wow, you guys actually teleported quickly this time. Oh man. Let's go. Oh my lord, there's so many of them.
Well, that was easier than I thought.
Oh my god, you guys. Yeah, it's gonna be very hard to get to acceptance. Because they just make me feel so much pain. Oh man. Oh my lord. Come on, open the door, Spark. This is a lot harder when there's like several places for them to come through. Come on, spawns. Let's go. They're not quite the lame spawn squad anymore. They're more so, I guess, the mediocre.
Hard at work repairing your vessel. Its parasitic nature belies the flood's intelligence.
Oh man, hi, I do not want to be in this situation. Leave me alone. Oh, Jesus. That was multiple energy sword ones. Oh my lord. So many of them. Oh my god. Let's go. On spawns. All aboard.
The energy barrier surrounding the index will deactivate when we reach the ground floor.
Oh man.
You may now retrieve the index.
Alright. And nice.
Protocol requires that I take possession of the index for transport. Your organic form renders you vulnerable to infection. The index must not fall into the hands of the flood before we reach the control room and activate the installation. The flood is spreading. We must hurry.
Alright.